Hello students, good morning all. Hope you all are well and good. Now today's period we are going to start with a new topic, that is geometry. Okay. If you look around, you will see there are many plane and solid shapes. Yeah, like a desk, like clock, then TV, windows, doors, and so many things are there. Okay, or playing things like a ball, carrom board. Yeah, so these all are plain and solid shapes that we have learned. Also, we have seen about the faces of solid shapes, edges, their corners in previous classes. Okay, so page number 185. Do you remember it is given there that you have to solve your work? Okay, after solving, send me photos. Okay, then we are going to see about angles and its types. So first we will see about angles. Now we will take a point O. Okay, from this point I'll draw two rays. With the help of scale, I am going to draw two rays. Okay, that is OP, and one more I draw, that is OR. Okay, so these two rays I have drawn from point O. So we can say that these two rays are forming angles at point O. Okay, so these two rays are known as arms or sides of an angle. Okay. Now, on which point that angle is created? Yes, it is created at point O. So that O is known as vertex. So that O is known as vertex. Okay. So now we will see how we have to give the name for that angle. Okay. Mostly we are using English alphabets or English capital alphabets for giving name for angles. You will see in this figure, we can read the angle as angle POR, or we can read as angle ROP. So how can we write this? We will write with a sign. Okay, this is the symbol used to denote angle. Okay, so we can write as angle POR, or we can write as angle ROP. Okay, keep in your mind, the letter denoting the vertex is always written in middle. Understood? So here we have used English alphabets for giving the name for that angle. Many times we use number 1, 2, 3. Okay, but how can we read that? See, I'll show. We can read that like angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and so on. So wherever an angle is created, here. Where is the angle created? Angle is created here. Okay. So we can give the name P, Q, R. Okay. And angle, for that angle we can give the name as 1, and it will become an angle 1. Understood? So now we will see interior and exterior of the angle. The same angle we are going to use, we will give P, Q, and R. Angle P, Q, R. Okay? I'll give some points, that inside part in between two rays or two arms of the angle is known as interior of the angle, and outside part of the angle or outside part of the two arms is known as exterior of the angle. So now you will see point F and T are interior points of the angle, and then the points W, V and U are exterior point of the angle. Okay. So now the next we are going to see about measuring the angle. Like other units, there is a unit for measuring angle. Okay. The standard unit of measuring the angle is degree. And it is denoted as symbol. Okay. So for measuring the angle, we are using the protractor. It is there in your geometry box. Okay. It is known as protractor, and it is useful to measure the angle. In a protractor, there are 180 equal subdivisions of the angle marked 0 to 180. Each subdivision denoted 1 degree. You will see the red lines are given there. Okay. So these all, if you count, these all are 180, and each line denotes 1 degree. Okay. If you will see the line segment joined from 0 to 180 is known as baseline. See, the midpoint of the baseline is known as the center of the baseline. Okay. So now we will see how to use the protractor for measuring the angle. Okay. I'll draw an angle. I'll give a name, angle A, B, C. Okay. Now here, we will use this protractor or the marking which is given there from 0 to 180 anti-clockwise and 0 to 180 clockwise. Okay. So both the marking we can use for measuring the angle. We can use inner marking for anti-clockwise direction, and we can use outer marking for clockwise direction. Now here I have drawn an angle. Okay. Now we have to measure this angle. Now first we will place the center of the protractor on vertex. Okay. So first we find the vertex, that is B. Now we have kept the center of the protractor on vertex. Then we have to adjust the protractor such that the baseline or the baseline of the protractor will come along with the any arm of the angle. Okay. So now if we come here, we have kept or we have placed the center of the protractor on vertex, and we have adjusted the baseline on any arm of the angle. Okay. So now we will measure. See the angle created on right side. Correct? Yes. So we have to measure it from anti-clockwise direction. Correct? So for measuring anti-clockwise direction, we have to use inner marking from where it started from 0. From there we have to start. Now we will measure in anti-clockwise. You will see 0 is there, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, you will see 60 is there. You will see the other arm of the angle, it crosses the marking which is given on, or the scale which is given on protractor on this place. Okay, so we have to mark, we have to measure it. So here it completed the 50. After 50, we will count 51 and 52. So So the angle which is given there, that is 52 degrees. Okay, and the degree symbol we have to write here is this. Angle A, B. So angle ABC is 52 degrees. Okay. So one more angle we will see, the top angle. Okay. Here I give name P, Q, R. Now I will show you how to measure this angle. Okay. So first we have to place the center of the protractor on vertex. Then we will adjust the baseline of the protractor on one of the arm. Now you will see the angle is created from clockwise direction. Okay. So for clockwise direction we have to use the marking which is given from outside or outer side. From 0 we will measure 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is not 160. Okay. So we have to count from 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. So the angle which is created, that is 49 degrees. And we will write like angle PQR is 49 degrees. Okay. Understood? Now we will see types of angle. Now first we will see about acute angle. An angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Okay. So I will show that. Okay, angle A, B, C is here. Okay, then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It is known as obtuse angle. Okay. You will see the example. You see this angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, so the angle whose measure is more than 90 degree, but it is less than 180 degree. Okay, such angle is known as obtuse angle. Then you will see right angle. An angle which measures exactly 90 degree is known as right angle. Okay. See this angle is right angle. Now we will see about straight angle. An angle which exactly measures 180 degree is known as straight angle. See, if I draw an angle, it is origin and another arm, that is straight line. Okay, I will give the name O P. Sorry, I will give the name for the point O P and Q. Okay, so if you will see the angle, it is there, angle POQ. It is straight angle. Okay, it is in a straight line, but it is the origin, it is the vertex. Okay, these are the two arms, OP and OQ. These are two arms, okay? These two arms in a straight line. So this angle is known as straight angle, and straight angle always measured at 180 degrees. Okay? Then we will see reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay? An angle which measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. Okay? See here, angles A, B and C. Such angle is known as reflex angle, which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Understood? The last type of the angle is complete angle or whole angle. Okay? Whole or complete angle. An angle which measures exactly 360 degrees. Such angle is known as complete angle or whole angle. Okay? We can draw an angle here and one other arm which is exactly lying on the first side. Okay? Then when we measure this angle will be 360 degrees, means it is complete angle or whole angle. Okay? So these are the types of angles. You have to write from textbook page number 187. Understood?